Picture it. You're in the middle of presenting your big project to a senior leadership team, aiming to get that critical budget approval. You're going over all the technical highlights, active-active configurations, automatic syncing, hot disaster recovery. You're confident this will solve the ongoing technical outages issues the organization has faced. But then you look around the room and realize everyone's eyes are starting to glaze over. You can see the confusion setting in. You're losing them fast. What do? How do you bring them back on board without overwhelming them with technical details? Grab a cup of coffee and let's chat about how to make things like IT business continuity clear, relatable, and engaging, even for the non-tech crowd. I'm Tina Marie Baugh. I've spent over 25 years in hands-on technology leadership, helping seasoned tech experts who've stepped into management grow into confident, effective leaders. Now, I know IT can seem like a maze of technical jargon, but when it comes down to it, our job as tech leaders isn't to make everyone an expert. It's to help them understand that we're looking out for the organization's needs, especially when things go sideways. One way I do that is by using relatable analogies. Here's how I explain IT business continuity to non-IT stakeholders. Picture an 18-wheeler truck. When everything's rolling along smoothly, it's delivering exactly what's needed, just like a healthy IT system. Now, in real life, if one tire goes flat, that truck has to pull over. But here's where IT is different. For critical systems, we design what's called active-active environments with enough redundancy that if one tire goes flat or IT part fails, things keep trucking along without disruption. High availability in IT is like having extra support wheels and backup components that keep the system or the truck running while we handle repairs. Now let's keep thinking about that truck. What if something serious happens and the entire truck breaks down? That's where disaster recovery comes in. Imagine we have a spare truck positioned along the route, ready to jump in and pick up the load so there's no major delay. In IT, that's our disaster recovery system. It's our safety net when things really go wrong. This analogy is simple, but it's powerful. It reassures people without bogging them down in technical details. Suddenly, they get the picture of why our systems are reliable and what it means when we talk about disaster recovery or high availability. It's clear what the difference is and why they are important. They don't need to worry about the technical complexities because they can see we've got it covered. Plus, it gives us a common language, so they feel comfortable asking us questions and exploring ideas without needing to know all the technical ins and outs. I have answered plenty of questions about flat tires and spare trucks in my time. It really does help with communication and allows leaders to get their critical questions answered. I think it is important for us as tech managers to remember, don't be afraid to keep things straightforward. Overcomplicating only creates more confusion. Your confidence and simplicity in explanations are what reassure people. They should walk away feeling that IT isn't some dark, mysterious world, but something they can rely on, even if they don't understand all the nuts and bolts. Another thing I'll add is the impact of this approach on building trust. By using relatable language and visuals, we're showing that we're not here to put up walls between IT and the business. We're here to connect and support them. And there we have it. Explaining technical concepts like IT business continuity can be as simple as an 18-wheeler on the highway. It's all about meeting people where they are, breaking down complex ideas in ways that make sense for everyone. If this video gave you clarity or something to think about, check out my other videos on the channel. Each one is packed with real-world strategies to help you grow as a tech leader. Until next time, keep leading with clarity, confidence, and courage. You got this.